Hello, James Wooldridge from the Fleet Safety Academy in the Cotswolds with the Fleet Risk Management Nugget for you. I've had discussions with fleet operators recently who have had trouble getting collision investigations conducted effectively. I've stressed the importance of effective investigations as they help an organisation learn from mistakes, check on performance and improve fleet risk controls. The information gathered from the investigation can be used for safety messages and it can help grow a positive safety culture. Other benefits include trend analysis and being able to identify problem routes or problem points of delivery, and of course drivers who need to improve their driving performance. Whilst it's a challenge, effort should be made to record incidents of any size. This process of reporting and investigating can be promoted through appropriate training. Maintaining open communication, which refrains from placing the blame on the driver, is also important. Not all collisions need to be investigated to the same standard. Serious collisions should receive the most investigative effort, but near misses with the potential to be serious should also receive a good level of attention. A suitable investigation should identify the reasons for poor driving performance, identify how the fleet safety management system could have failed, give learning from the incident, help prevent a recurrence, and obtain details for effective claims management. Investigations should be conducted promptly after a collision and should include the collecting of evidence on what happened, considering the evidence, comparing the information with company standards, and implementing the findings from the investigation. One of the key issues will be understanding what was happening in the life of the driver and what events occurred in the run-up to the collision. Stresses outside work could have caused fatigue or distraction when the employee was behind the wheel. I hope you've found this reminder useful. Please get in touch if you need any assistance with developing your collision investigation process. Thank you.